Hello, welcome to Joyful Catholic Nurse. Today we're going to talk about the garden and all the wonderful things that are coming out of gardens, especially here in Ohio in August. And it's just a wonderful proliferation of the great fruits and vegetables if you happen to plant them a couple of months ago. So it was during this early times of the Great Pause, aka the beginning of the pandemic, where I said to myself, oh, I've got to put my garden in. And so tomatoes are a really easy thing to grow. I put some tomato plants in. My mom has always grown green beans in her garden, so I knew I needed to do some green beans. My family likes a variety of string bean called a yellow bean, and so I planted some of those. And so today I just want to show you some of the things coming out of my garden. All right, so first we have a really beautiful bowl of tomatoes, and there's just so many tomatoes. I'll be sharing with you what I'm going to do with those tomatoes in another episode. I also want to show you the different varieties that I grew. So I had an early girl plant and a better boy plant. Actually, this could be early girl and this could be better boy. I'm not exactly sure. Then I also grew a Roma tomato, and this type of Roma is an heirloom variety. So heirloom and hybrid, you can look those up to see the differences, but I try to have a little bit of both varieties. Then I had a friend share with me an heirloom type of tomato, and she gave me a whole bunch of those. Shout out Linda, thank you for those. She also shared some cherry tomatoes. So these are great, all different flavors and textures and ways to use them. Some for cooking, some for in a salad, some for just popping them in your mouth and eating them. All right. So this was what I picked a couple days ago, actually yesterday. So lots of green beans, yellow beans, more tomatoes, because like I said, they're everywhere. And then my husband and I have a really fun time growing these yellow peppers or banana peppers. They're sweet. They're not hot in any way because I cannot do hot food. Spicy food, it's really hard on my palate. And I have some great plans for all of this produce as well. I would love to hear how your gardens are growing, so you can leave your comments down below and have a wonderful day. Oh, today is the memorial of one of our Holy Fathers, Pope Pius X. So, Saint Pius X, pray for us.